Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, do you know you can request travel history report from CBSA, Canada Border Service Agency? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself step by step. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and click on subscribe button. So guys, I want to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, you can request this from Canada Border Service Agency, and it is usually free if you apply for yourself. And again, there are some criteria. Okay. So so in travel history reports in and out of Canada, what do they carry? Okay. Now they have also clarified certain circumstances when you should not request this for citizenship, applying for citizenship, or for a PR card, because they have a question where they ask you that do you want to get these details from CBSA. So IRS is directly correct from CBSA, so you don't disturb CBSA, right? And you can submit online, and it may take up 30 days to process your request. And this is under if you're applying for yourself, it is under Privacy Act, which is a free service. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. Now how we can go ahead is like we can go for this. Okay, so this is on the Privacy Act. So this is on the Privacy Act, and this is free. So request personal information. If you apply for yourself, just select yourself, click on next. Here we can search for CBSA because this is gonna be held by CBSA. CBSA we selected, click it. They have given me a pop-up. Okay, so in the first step, now it's very simple. In the first step, what you do, they collect. Now they are going to collect the data. Now the terms and condition you can read, click on continue. So department you want to submit, so CBSA, right? And they're going to collect your data. Okay, whatever is your situation, you can put that. You can put your information. Some fields are mandatory that you have to are requesting on your own behalf. Best category, up to you, whatever you want to say, whatever is applicable to you and not what you want to say. Electronic copy, electronic media. All right, so now provide these details and go to the next section. Of course I will not be submitting it, so I'll go to the next section. Now we are on the second page where we are going under Privacy Act, right? In which language? English. What type of record? Case files. They have like given this repeatedly that for immigration purpose do not ask this. Again, you need to provide your date, your information. Request must, and here you can provide the details. Okay, and then in the next step you will attach your document, review and validate, and from there you can file this up. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.